guys, sanibona. Naku phela ngibuye the recent episode of Sencane Lengane and I'm like, how? You know, I couldn't even finish the show. I had to pause and create this video because ngibonela ukuthi if I continue watching the show, ngisaba na energy ukuthi ngenze le video le because wow, what a show. Guys, usiyacela just said ukuthi uma ngathando wamkhumulela iphenti and begged him to sleep with her. Ikhona into enjalo. Haya ngiyikholwa and I want us to talk about that and more here on this video. But before starting with the video, I would like to request you guys to like it. If you subscribe to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down it so that you can watch my previous videos. And I hope that you guys, in fact I know that you're definitely going to enjoy watching this. Now I know the episode is about a week ago, but ima ngithola isikhathi manje sokubuka because I didn't want to create a video ngento engingayazi, into engayibukanga seeing snippets on social media. I decided it's okay, what ngihlale phansi ngiyibuke le show le. Uma ngithi ngixha hayibo ngempela, this is really happening. Usiyacela and his brother are really accusing Thando's mom ukuthi wafike ehotela labo. Okay, firstly iqala lapho mina. Uma Thando, how did she end up afike ehotela likaSiyacela? What was happening? What is the context? Like mina ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi kwenzakalani before that. Guys, I really believe that his story has two sides. So ngicabanga ukuthi Thando naye une side like of his story. And that is if ukuthi lento lena yenzekile ngempela because nobody kasacela naye is looking a little bit suspicious. Ngeke naye uputi lo ngathi ufazi into ayitsheliwe ukuthi kwathiwa fakaza bafu. Now wagijima ngeza lawo zofakaza. I don't know. This could be true or kuba amanga. That's why I'm thinking it's amanga. There's another side to this. Secondly, does Thando know about this? And if she knows, was she really okay? Ngokuthi kushuthwe lento lena uma wakhe abe embarrassed like nanokuthi uma wakhe uma Thando, did she agree ukuthi lento le ivezwe on national television ukhulunywe ngaye kanje because noma ngathiwa lento le is about money. I don't think ukuthi khona umuntu ongavuma ukuthi igama lakhe ihlange laze kanje. Mina lento le yangiconfuse. I've been seeing on social media people are busy saying ukuthi isencane lengane should be stopped, should be cancelled, kumele iphele ngoba guys, how can you cancel such an entertaining show? Awungeke kwazi thina siyafuna le ndaba leza beze nazo because this is really interesting. Angazi guys, comment down in the comment section. Nisho ukuthi nina, what did you think about Siyacela saying that ubekade efuna umamezala wakhe? I can't believe this. I really can't. So comment down in the comment section, share your thoughts, share opinions about this. And if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and do share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, if you don't know TikTok. So with all of that being said, this is the end. And thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.